Welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling to get more views on your YouTube videos, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will reveal some incredible tips and tricks that will help you attract a larger audience and boost your YouTube views. So, let's dive in. Tip number 1, optimize your video metadata. Metadata, what is it and why does it matter? Metadata includes your video title, description, tags, and thumbnails. Optimizing these elements is crucial to improve your video's discoverability and attract more viewers. Make sure to choose a relevant and catchy title, write a compelling description, and use tags that accurately describe your video's content. Additionally, design eye-catching and professional thumbnails to attract clicks. Tip number 2, create high-quality and engaging content. The foundation for attracting more views is to create high-quality content that grabs viewers' attention and keeps them engaged. Invest time in planning your videos, scripting, and incorporating interesting visuals. Maintain a consistent upload schedule to build a loyal subscriber base who eagerly awaits your videos. Respond to comments and interact with your audience to foster a sense of community. Tip number 3, promote your videos on social media. Don't limit your video's exposure to YouTube alone. Utilize the power of social media platforms to promote your content to a wider audience. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Engage with relevant communities and existing followers to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Tip number 4, collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaboration is a win-win strategy for both parties involved. Find other YouTubers in your niche or with similar interests and collaborate on videos together. This allows you to tap into each other's audiences and introduce new viewers to your channel. Collaborations can significantly boost your reach, subscribers, and views. Tip number 5, utilize SEO techniques. Search engine optimization, SEO, isn't limited to websites, it's equally important for YouTube. Conduct keyword research and incorporate relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in YouTube search results, making them more discoverable to potential viewers. Additionally, include closed captions and subtitles to broaden your video's accessibility. And that's a wrap on our video. We hope you found these tips and tricks useful in your journey to get more views on YouTube. Remember, it takes time and consistency, so don't get discouraged. Implement these strategies, share your amazing content, and watch your views soar. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.